work and energy. Hello everyone. In this chapter we will learn about types of forces, work, machines, energy and its sources. All things we do in our daily life like pushing, pulling and lifting all need some force. Force. A pull or a push acting on an object is called force. A force can change the shape of an object. There are two types of forces, gravitational force and frictional force. When we throw a ball up into the air and it returns to us back, why does it fall down? This is because of the force of gravity. Gravitational force, the force that pulls objects downwards towards the center of the earth, is called gravitational force. When we push a toy car, it stops moving after certain distance. Why does the car keeps on moving? Why does it stop? What makes it stop? It is a friction between the object and the ground that slows down the movement of the moving object and makes it stop. Frictional force. When two surfaces are in contact with each other, they exert a force on each other in opposite direction. This is called the force of friction. When you kick a football, you are applying force that causes it to move. This is considered as work. Work is said to be done when force is applied on an object in the direction the force applied. Machines. When it is difficult to do work with our hands, we use tools called simple machines, which makes our work easier and faster. Here are some very common examples of simple tools that we use in our daily life, like lever, pulley, wheel and axle, screw, inclined plane, and wedges. Energy. An energy is an ability to do work. We need energy to walk, play, read, lift, and push. We get energy from the food we eat. Energy exists in various forms such as chemical, mechanical, heat, light, magnetic, electrical, and sound. Sources of energy. The energy we get from sun is called solar energy. Sun gives energy in the form of heat and light. Moving water also has a lot of energy in it, which is called hydroenergy. The flow of water from dams is used to run the turbines which produce electrical energy. The movement of wind has some energy which is called wind energy. We use huge windmills to run the turbines to generate electricity. Thank you everyone.